Morning students. Students, I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Uh, this chapter that we were doing we started from the previous class that named is Sound of Music. Music already have sound, but why sound of music? Because this topic specify very clearly that music is not meant for only those who can hear it, okay, but it is also meant for those who feel who suffer from natural disability facts. Like if we take an example of Evelyn was deaf. In the previous class we have discussed that Evelyn was deaf, though she felt the music without hearing, and she achieved a lot in her life. Okay, so we are discussing the short summary of Evelyn. The short summary of Evelyn. Early life of Evelyn. Okay, means before she tried to achieve in music anything, regarding to her goal. What was her life before? So Evelyn was profoundly deaf. We know that she was profoundly deaf. Evelyn was 11 years old. She was 11 years old when it was discovered that she had the hearing disability. Means when Evelyn got to know by the doctors or by her family that she cannot hear, she is a deaf person. Okay, that time she was 11 years old. She wanted to pursue her career in music. She had a target that she wanted to be a musician, but her teachers discouraged her. Her teachers demotivated her that you being a deaf, you cannot hear the music, how you will achieve your goals in music, or how you will make your career in music. So in this way the teachers discouraged her. It was Ron Forbes. Ron Forbes was her friend, Evelyn, her friend Ron Forbes, who recognized her potential and supported her in achieving her goal. Ron Forbes motivated Evelyn in achieving her goals in music. He advised her not to listen through her ears but try to sense and feel it in some other way. How Ron Forbes helped or motivated Evelyn? The question can arise that how Ron Forbes motivated Evelyn. Okay, by supporting her in achieving her goal. He had advised her not to listen the music through the ears but try to feel and sense the music through some other way. Soon after hearing the motivational word and the supporting character of Ron Fox, she got excited. Okay, she felt the vibrations of higher drum from the waist above. Means from the waist above. This is the waist we call, and from the waist above means upper part of the body. She tried to feel the vibrations of the drum. Higher drum means drum with high sound, and from the lower means the down part of the body, she felt the lower drum sound. Okay, later she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. This was the initial stage. She focused her best to feel and sense the music, the sound. Okay, later she realized that she could feel the vibrations in every part of her body. Okay, these tingle. Tingle means vibration. This tingle in her skin, her cheekbones, and even hair. Means in every part like hair, skin, cheekbones. She can feel and sense the vibrations. That's why it is mentioned. These means the sound. Tingle in her, the vibrations of the sound, which can be which tingle her in skin, her cheekbones, and even hair. She had learned to open her body and mind to the sounds and vibrations. So she practiced and focused and meditated herself more and more so that she could feel the sounds and vibrations through every part of her body, and that's why she learned to open her body and mind to pay a better attention to sense the music. Okay. After that she never looked back. So when she got perfection in sensing and feeling of the vibrations, okay, she never looked back. Now what are her achievements and how did she live her life, that we will discuss. Okay, so what are the achievements of Evelyn? How she felt and learned the music by sensing and feeling it through the every parts of the body. Now what she achieved in her life? Evelyn joined the prestigious Royal Academy of Music. Which institute she joined? The Royal Academy of Music, and she scored the highest marks in the history of the academy. In the history of that academy, whoever took admission in the entire history, she scored the highest marks. Though being the deep, she focused towards her goal, and she did so. She worked with strong determination. She worked with strong determination because she was dedicated and she wanted to make her career in the same field. She was dedicated. This chapter, this story gives us the message also that we will discuss. Now, what were the sources of inspiration for deaf children? Means Evelyn became a shining inspiration for deaf children. She got right to the top. She got right to the top. What means she became the topmost talented girl in the history ever. In 1991, she was presented with Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. She was awarded with the Soloist of the Year from the Royal Philharmonic Society's. Okay, this was the prestigious award. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn gave free concerts in prisons and hospitals also. She is a shining inspiration for deaf children. Okay, because most of the deaf children, or where they survive, or the like orphanage, or wherever, whichever place the deaf children or these handicapped children used to live, the owner or the wardens or whoever the caretaker of those children, they always demotivate the students. They some nowadays in most of the places like so she gave the concerts in the places, and she became the shining inspiration for deaf children. She accomplished more than most of twice her age do. Means she accomplished more than most people twice her age do. Means he represented her twice, means comparatively two times, double times. She earned name in orchestra also. She inspired handicapped children or people, you can say people, handicapped people, and made them believe if she could do that, then why can't they? They also can do. So being deaf person, she achieved her career in music. She achieved her goal, and also she motivated the deaf children or handicapped people also that if she could do that, they also can do that. Okay, so this is the story of this is the first part story of Evelyn from the chapter The Sound of the Music. Now obviously Bismillah Khan is the next story, so that we will discuss in the next class.